What's up everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Flare network into your MetaMask wallet. It's either you are trying to prepare for the Flare Spark token airdrop, or you just would like to add Flare to your MetaMask, so that way once the actual network is going to be launched and fully functional, your MetaMask will be ready to interact with the specific blockchain. So here's what we need to do. We need to open our MetaMask. And if you don't have your MetaMask installed on your computer, I already made a video about how to do that. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. And then once this little window is gonna appear, then we need to press on this little logo in the top right corner. And then in here, we need to press on settings. And in this menu, press on networks and then press on add the network. So the new page is gonna appear. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna split the screen real quick. So right here, we're gonna have to fill out this information. You'll have to go to this website and I will leave a link in the description below. Once you're gonna get to it, you'll have to scroll down and by default, Sandberg is gonna be selected. You're just gonna have to press on Flare and then all this information is gonna have to be added in here. So I'm gonna add this information really quick. And that's it. Once all the information is in here, you can press on save. And then this little message is gonna appear. What's new? We can just close this. You can read through or you can press on got it. That's it. We successfully added Flare network to MetaMask wallet. Now we can press on assets. By default, Flare token is gonna be here. So let's say, for example, if this is the wallet you use to link to receive your Flare airdrop, then once they're gonna distribute all the Flare tokens, they're gonna appear over here. Once you're gonna add the actual network, your wallet will have all the Flare or Spark tokens in your wallet. And once the airdrop is gonna be complete, I'm gonna create a follow-up video just to show you exactly how they looks in your wallet. And this is pretty much it. If this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.